This is a quick review here for coding for kids. Now, I have to first tell you that I took a coding class, and the reason why I got this book was because it was more like in conjunction with the coding class I was taking. So despite me taking a class in coding, I felt like this was actually helpful. But I wouldn't be deceived by the name itself. When it says coding for kids, you know, coding can be a complicated thing. But what I like about it is it brings it down and breaks it down in sort of a kid, kind of way so that you understand it a little bit better. Now, what can I tell you about this book? If you're looking to create web pages, style the web pages, this is going to walk you through all of that. And when I say walk you through, I mean in the most basic way. So just to give you an idea here, because you'll be introduced to HTML5, you're going to be going through, creating web content, lists and tables. So if it's step-by-step instruction that you're seeking and how to create things in the terms of HTML, CSS, basic JavaScript, this is what's going to kind of walk you through some of that. So again, creating web pages, how to make them interactive and how to style them. And this is definitely a book I would highly recommend to go into great more detail if you're more in the intro to a lot of those things right now. Because if you're taking a coding class, and which I did, I took a crash course, this book was extremely helpful in that sense. Okay, again, it's Coding for Kids.